So in this short video we are going to look at greetings and introductions in Spanish. We'll learn first of all how to say hello, good morning, goodbye, etc. And then we'll move on to asking somebody how they're feeling and giving answers to that question. And then finally the question, what's your name, and answering that question. So we'll meet words for hello, hola, good morning, buenos días, and the phrase for what's your name, ¿cómo te llamas? So here's your first Spanish word, hola, hello, hola. A couple of things to notice, first of all, the exclamation mark that is upside down at the beginning. Spanish uses this to indicate that an exclamation is coming as soon as you start reading it. The pronunciation as well, hola, you'll have noticed that the H is silent in Spanish. Next we have buenos días, good morning. The Spanish literally says good day or even good days. Notice the written accent indicated by the red arrow, which replaces the dot over the I of días. You can also see that the word is masculine, the word días is masculine because of the ending os, buenos días. The same phrase is used in Spanish for both good afternoon and good evening, and that phrase is buenas tardes, buenas tardes. The reason for this is that the period of time tarde refers to the time between the midday meal and the evening meal, the lunchtime meal and the evening meal. Spaniards eat extremely late, and therefore the period tarde corresponds to both afternoon and evening. You can see again that Spanish uses the plurals for these words. The blue arrows are pointing to tardes, noches, the S for plural. Unlike with buenos días in the previous slide, días being a masculine word, here we have buenas tardes, buenas noches. La tarde and la noche are feminine words, hence the as ending. A nice straightforward one here, adios, goodbye, adios. Note, as with all the exclamations that we've seen so far, the upside down exclamation mark again. Note also that there is a written accent on the O of adios, adios. This helps us tell where the stress is, adios. Three more informal ways of saying bye. Hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta la vista. Spanish is literally saying until, hasta luego, until then. So, see you later. Hasta pronto, until soon, see you soon. Hasta la vista, literally until the sight, so see you again. Hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta la vista. Two entirely interchangeable ways of asking how someone is. How are you doing? How are you? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Or ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And ways of responding to the previous question, ¿Qué tal? Or ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Four possible answers here in descending order of how terrible you may or may not be feeling. Starting with fantastic, fenomenal, fenomenal. Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Very well, thanks. Regular, regular. Listen to that Spanish rolled R, regular. Not bad, okay, so-so. And finally, not quite as bad as it sounds, fatal, fatal, which means awful, terrible. And our final piece of new language in this video. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? And the answer, me llamo Carlos. Me llamo Francisco. My name's Charles. My name is Francis. The question, ¿Cómo te llamas? rather like its French equivalent, literally means how, the question word como, do you call, the verb llamas, yourself, the reflexive pronoun te. And similarly in the reply, me llamo, I'm using the first person singular verb, the I form of the verb, llamo, I call, and the reflexive pronoun me. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Pedro. What's your name? My name is Peter.